Continuation. There's a perfect white jumbo. Third one in a couple seconds. Over my head. And there's a Cessna. I think he's using it to do pulse accelerations, and now he's giving me crap. That's the perfect white jumbo with the light reflecting right there. And here's the Cessna doing circles. There's another white jumbo coming. Another white jumbo right here. There's the Cessna doing a circle, a left-handed circle. There's the perfect white jumbo right above my head now. This one's a little lower, but it's not a full head tap. Probably pissed about the police blogger post. Maybe they'll call me from the hospital and offer some help. Maybe they'll have Joel call next time. Joycey. That's the same spot with the sun hitting it. That's when they pass the sun, with the sun out to their right. I'm gonna cut the video before I lose it.